Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we're going to go over some simple ways that you can check your battery to see whether it's good or whatnot. And say you've tried to jump start it and you jump started, it ran, you got home, you parked the car, and overnight it doesn't work. Cold weather is not very good on your batteries, and that is generally when a lot of batteries go bad, is in the very cold weather, right? The cold really can zap your batteries over time. Generally batteries will last 3 years, 3 up to 5, and sometimes you get a lot more if it's just been working in great conditions. So I have this tester that you can use, or you can use a voltmeter. Set it to the volt setting. You can check how much voltage is in there. This is a nice, good little thing. So you just hook it to your positive, hook it to the negative, and when you do that, this lights up and it tells us that we have 12.66 volts. So we're at a very good charge here, right? Then we're going to hit OK and select the language. I'm going to put that it's in the vehicle because that's where it is. Before charge, right? You select what type of battery. This is just a regular. 550 is a pretty close to average, right? We're going to check it. Now it's going to test it. There we go. So it's saying that it's a 12.62, 550 cold. Say this is a good battery. So no need that we need to replace this battery, but if it was, this would tell us whether it's bad. Or you can look on the side and see the manufacturing date. And if it's anything after 3 years, you might as well just know that you're going to be putting a new battery, right? So that's one way that you can check it. There's, like I said, you can use voltmeter. There's a handful of things that you can check. This handy tool will also, you can check with your car running and see how many volts are coming out of your alternator. It'll do a few other features, but we were just going to check the battery at that moment. That's how you would check your battery to be able to know whether you need to replace it. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.